Hey crazy cuties, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex from New here. I'm a culture free ME who loves to play with makeup. Been here before. Welcome back. So today's look is actually trying out this brand. It is the Sugar Drizzle, and I got this in the October's Ice Cream Beauty bag, and I'm very excited because they're highlighters. Look at that highlighter. It's so pretty. It's so pretty I can't wait to play it. I was thinking about playing with two colors out of this. I don't know. I'm definitely going to use it as a highlighter and everything. But yes, I already did it. I already did my eyebrows. So any products I've used in this video will be down below. I do have affiliated links if you want to help this channel out. I am going to use the NYX Jumbo Pencil because this stuff is awesome, especially when you're working with like other colors. And since I'm using this, I do want that color to have more of a white base to it. But yes, so I haven't done a makeup therapy for a couple of weeks. It's because a lot of things have been going on. Just like, yeah, what the hell happened? 1 week, my dogs got out. They're huskies, so they're prone to escape the backyard because they like to dig. And I'm just like, oh my goodness. And they got out because we're cleaning out our garage, and you know, things freaking happen, and it was just like, oh my goodness. They got back home safely, but one of our dogs, Oreo, was basically got ready to get a freaking police call on him because he's not used to with new people, and it's just like he was growling and everything. Luckily, we have a next door neighbor who is part of the animal control, who picks up animals and everything, and luckily she knew him. Like, yeah, I was like, it's like one of those. I was like, oh my gosh, 6 hours looking for that crazy dog. Then last week, septic tank got messed up, so you know, dealing with that unexpectedly, because yes, we do have like a sewer part, but we come to find out that the previous owners didn't do a septic tank cleaning, right? You have to get, when you have a septic tank, you have to have every 3 to 5 years, you have to get it pumped out, or you'll deal with some nasty crap. And they never did that. They put grease into the pipes when they cook. I mean, it was bad. Like, I was like, so, like, it didn't cost a lot, but it did cost money, but it didn't cost like thousands of dollars as it could be easily done. But I was just like, I was not a happy camper. I was just like, I didn't know what to do. I was thinking about doing some blue a little bit, but I just like changing my mind here as I'm going. I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing, but I really want to go cool tone a little bit because I think this would be a great look for the holiday season. But like, it's this one. I'm so excited. I did not get this month's November. I didn't get November's Ipsy bag because, one, I didn't like for the choices, actually, surprisingly. And I just like, yeah, no. And when I saw what they had for the month, I was like, I wasn't too happy with the selection they got. Okay, I'm looking at one. It's called Lightning Bugs. It's this shade right here. I don't know if you can see that, but like, I don't know. It's like, no, we're gonna use Moonlight Sky. I think that would be nice to have. It has like a green to a blue to a minty shift to it, which I like the duochrome, the multi-chrome. I don't know. November is like, how come I'm still, you know, getting them? Because I used their whatchamacallit. I used their razors. Oh, Oh. Oh my goodness, that's so beautiful. So hard with what they actually look like. Oh my goodness, that's so... I don't know if you can see that, but it's so great. I'm so glad I picked a white base because I really want to see, and I really want to try to see if like different colors will be so cool. Since this is like a green base, like a green multi-chrome, I think a green eyeshadow at the, oh my gosh, as a topper. I always use this as a topper, even like with the white base, even as a regular highlighter. Like, I like that. I like the formula of these. Oh my, okay, Sugar Drizzle. You're definitely gonna, you have a new customer. I like that. I'm so glad I picked, because I didn't know, and I'm glad I picked out the gray. If you want to try like something like this, anything, go with a cool tone just like this, because I think this will work with any of the shades. That would be cool. I like that. I really do like that. I mean, oh my goodness. Whew. You're like, oh my gosh, she's getting so... Oh, it's been a while. It's been a good minute that I have get so excited with certain things. Like, yeah. Okay. I don't know if I'm going to use the e.l.f. one or the Liveglam one. I've been using this one for the past month. It's a good one. But there's a but in this because it's going to be a but. It's too wet for me. It's too wet for me. I like something like this. It's like not too wet, but easy to manage. I had to get some more foundation. Ulta's supposed to have a good sale going on, but I don't know if they're going to have my shade. I might go buy it online, do it that way, or wait if I can find this on Amazon, because I really love this. It's like my go-to foundation, and it's inexpensive, it's affordable. Inexpensive and affordable is the same damn thing anyway. Like, it is like my favorite foundation. Like, it's my go-to. And then, like I said, I really want to try different, I'm really want to try like Too Faced and Everything Cave and see. I actually want to try Fenty too. Like, this is like my perfect match because it melts into my skin. I have a little redness, so I think that's just to the fact of other reasons. Foundation. And this is like my third bottle, so there you go. I definitely have to get more concealer, but I did get Liveglams. Going back, got Liveglams this month. I've got a lot of products this month because I switched up some couple of products. Why? I feel like I shouldn't have, because it could have been like that, but where the case may be, what was going through my mind, I was like, soft brush makeup brushes. Like, let's get more makeup brushes. Why? Because I like Morphe brushes. I really do like Morphe brushes. I like any brands. Like, I like Alice Miss Glam brushes. I like the Shop Miss A brushes. I like most of the brushes I get. And sometimes I'm like, yeah, I don't need another blender. It's like something like this. I really don't have to. I find brushes I don't have in my collection. Like, this is such a perfect brush when it comes to concealer like this, because I don't know if this is a concealer. I think it is. And I really like it just by doing this. So, because I'm not going to do it like a bake with this. Like, this is supposed to be a baking powder anyway, but I don't feel like it needs it. I love this stuff. Very fine, so you don't need a whole bunch on your face. I'm using a very light hand anyway, so I'm using this brush from Morphe. I like this brush because it gives me the nice, like, I don't know, it does not give me like a heavy brush. It's the Morphe 553. It gives me the nice blush like I like. It's not too much because, like I said, this is like a very You can use this as a bronzer. I've used this as a bronzer before, so it's not bad. Now, brow highlighter. Let's see what color we can go for. I guess we're gonna use a very little bit of lightning bugs. We're gonna go with this one called Mood. Okay. Any gray tone, especially with a cool tone colors, go with a mauve. That's a little bit cool tone. I am so glad I got to play with this. And I'm so glad I choose the gray tone just to see. And yes, I would recommend this. Get this if you can get this. Get this if you can find it on their website. Get this. I highly recommend them, especially if you want something like this, iridescent, but gives you iridescent, but gives you a punch. It's like, oh yeah. I want to play with these with darker colors, not with just gray tone, but I definitely want to see if I can do like a minty, like a dark shade green at that, or a black shade. I think it'd be cool to do. And same thing with the other colors, like work with purples. And I actually want to do something like that. I might do a couple of looks. I don't know yet. I don't know if it's going to be a short or an Instagram, because I have not decided yet in my head. And I'll probably do both, just saying. But I really, really do like this look. I really like the eyeshadows. I'm glad I got to play with some grays, because I haven't done a gray look in a while. I'm gonna do more gray looks, and I'm just so nice and soft, but still glam, you know, soft glam. There we go, soft glam. But yeah, I wish the light would do this justice, but yeah. Make sure you hit the like button so I know you like this kind of content. If you want to be part of the Crazy Cuties clan, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Yes, we might be a little crazy, but we're cute at the same time. And of course, make sure notification bell so you'll be notified of any new videos I upload. And also comment down below if you try Drizzle Cosmetics and what eyeshadows or what products that you really, really love about this brand. And I am so happy that I got to try this out, and I'm like, yay. So hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. Bye.